Imagine multiplying all the water in Earth's oceans by 140 trillion. That's the amount of water astronomers found, floating as vapor, around a massive, ancient object billions of light-years away. This isn't a liquid ocean, but a colossal cloud of water vapor, the largest and most distant ever detected. The discovery, announced in 2011, revealed that water, a key ingredient for life, existed when the universe was just 1.6 billion years old. Before this, we didn't know if water could form so early in cosmic history. Finding so much so far back is like seeing a baby picture of the universe already holding the building blocks for life. Water is essential for life as we know it, so scientists always search for it when looking for signs of life elsewhere. This gigantic cloud suggests the conditions for life might have existed long before Earth formed. It's a revolution in our understanding of the cosmos. We'll explore where this water was found, what a quasar is, and how scientists detected something 12 billion light-years away. This is a story of technology, teamwork, and curiosity. It's not science fiction, it's the real astonishing universe we live in. Let's dive in. This discovery was a massive team effort, uniting astronomers from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory and Caltech. They targeted a specific ultra-bright object, APM 08279 plus 5255, one of the most powerful objects ever found. The teams weren't just lucky, they were searching for chemical signatures in the early universe. By analyzing the light from this distant object, they found the unmistakable fingerprint of water. Years of careful observation and analysis led to this headline-making announcement in 2011. The sheer amount of water challenged theories about how quickly complex molecules could form after the Big Bang. The universe needed to create oxygen in stars, then spread it to combine with hydrogen and make water, much faster than we thought. Collaboration was key. Each team's findings confirmed the others. Using different telescopes and instruments, they built a rock-solid case for this cosmic reservoir. This is how science works, sharing, verifying, and building a clearer picture of our universe. It's a story of human ingenuity reaching across unimaginable distances. Together, they uncovered one of the universe's greatest secrets. That's the power of teamwork. The water was found swirling around a quasar, a super-bright distant object powered by a supermassive black hole. Quasars look like stars, but they're actually the blazing centers of young galaxies. At the heart of APM 08279 plus 5255 is a black hole 20 billion times more massive than our Sun. As gas and dust spiral into the black hole, they heat up and glow, outshining entire galaxies. Quasars are cosmic lighthouses, visible across billions of light-years. The water vapor isn't in the hot disk itself, but in a vast region surrounding the quasar, stretching hundreds of light-years. Because quasars are so bright, we can see them as they were 12 billion years ago, when the universe was just a teenager. Studying quasars lets us look back in time and understand the early universe. They're cosmic time machines, revealing the presence of fundamental ingredients like water. This quasar's light brings us a message from the dawn of time. That's why it matters. The amount of water found is almost beyond comprehension. 140 trillion times all the water in Earth's oceans. That's a 140 followed by 12 zeros. This vapor cloud outweighs our entire Milky Way galaxy by thousands of times. It's not a puddle, it's a cosmic ocean of vapor, spread over hundreds of light-years. Unlike the mostly frozen water in our galaxy, this cloud is warm enough, about -53 Celsius, to stay as vapor. Scientists never expected to find so much water so early. The first generations of stars must have formed, lived, and exploded quickly, seeding the cosmos with oxygen to make water. This means the cosmic water cycle was underway long before our sun was born. The scale of this reservoir tells us the early universe was already rich in the ingredients for life. That's a profound shift in our understanding. Detecting water 12 billion light-years away sounds impossible, but scientists used a technique called spectroscopy. When light from the quasar passes through the water cloud, water molecules absorb specific colors, leaving a unique barcode in the spectrum. By analyzing these patterns, astronomers could say with certainty, there's water here. They used powerful telescopes, including the Z-Spec instrument in Hawaii and the KARMA array in California. These tools detect light in millimeter wavelengths, perfect for spotting cold gas and dust. The water's barcode appears in this part of the spectrum, making Z-Spec ideal for the job. KARMA, an array of 23 radio telescopes mapped the water vapor in detail. 2 independent observatories confirmed the discovery, eliminating doubt. The light itself brought the evidence across billions of years. That's how we know what's out there. This discovery reshapes our understanding of how galaxies evolve. Water was present in vast quantities when the universe was just 12% of its current age. The first stars must have quickly created oxygen, which bonded with hydrogen to form water. Scientists once thought regions around supermassive black holes were too violent for complex molecules. But this find shows that even near these cosmic engines, stable reservoirs of water can exist. It changes our models of galactic environments and black hole influence. By studying the water's properties, scientists learned about the temperature and density of the gas cloud. The black hole isn't just consuming, it's shaping the chemistry of its galaxy. Most importantly, this means the building blocks for life were common early on. The universe was a rich chemical factory from the start. The numbers here are staggering. The quasar is 12 billion light-years away. Its light began traveling before Earth even existed. Our planet is only 4.5 billion years old. This water cloud predates us by over 7 billion years. Human history is a blink compared to the quasar's 12 billion-year journey to our telescopes. When we look at this quasar, we see a time capsule from the universe's youth. The water found is 140 trillion times Earth's oceans. Imagine a single drop representing all our water, and the quasar's cloud as a city-sized pool. And this is just one quasar. There could be many more like it. Astronomy forces us to confront the vastness of space and time. Discoveries like this expand our perspective far beyond daily life. They remind us the universe is ancient, immense, and full of wonders. We're part of something much bigger than ourselves. That's both humbling and inspiring. Whenever we find water, we wonder, could there be life? On Earth, water means life, so it's the top target in the search for extraterrestrial life. Finding a reservoir this massive is thrilling, but the environment around a quasar is far too harsh for life as we know it. The real significance is that the universe could produce life's key ingredient in huge quantities, very early on. This discovery proves the raw materials for life are not rare. If so much water existed 12 billion years ago, it likely filled countless other young galaxies. Over time, this water would have become part of new stars and planets. That boosts the odds that life could arise elsewhere. While this isn't evidence of aliens, it's a hopeful sign for the search. The universe is primed for life, so we keep looking. This ancient water reservoir is a story of wonder and curiosity. By studying a faint speck of light from the dawn of time, we learned the universe was never empty. It was a dynamic chemical factory. The oxygen in that ancient cloud and the water we drink today were both forged in stars. We are made of the same stuff as the cosmos, star stuff, as Carl Sagan said. This discovery links us to the earliest epochs of the universe. Now, we ask not if the ingredients for life existed, but where and how they spread. Could life have started elsewhere, long before Earth? The universe is stranger and more full of potential than we ever imagined. Finding 140 trillion oceans of water is just the beginning, so keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep looking up.